So I changed the bearings out in the supply fan motor, and I had the power off while I was doing it. Went to turn the power back on to start up the motor and check it. Sure enough, my VFD display was blank. As you can see, I got no light on power. Check my voltages. The reason why it's showing low is because this meter is pretty touchy on where you're holding it on the conductor, but it does have power going to it. So luckily I got the new replacement VFD from Daikin. This is an ABB 550. They don't make these anymore, so I'll be pitting a 580 in, which is what this new one is. Should be plug and play, but just make sure you label everything, and we'll do a startup and see how it goes.